Glare. To look at someone in an angry or fierce way. She didn't say anything, just glared. Stop glaring, I didn't do anything wrong. Glance. To look at something quickly or for a short time. He glanced at me but said nothing. I glanced at my watch to check the time. Stare. To look at something or someone for a long time, often without blinking, usually when you're shocked, angry, or being rude. The stranger stared at me, making me nervous. He was staring at me the whole time. Don't stare at people, it's rude. Gaze. To look at something for a long time, usually with interest, love, or wonder. They were gazing into each other's eyes. They were gazing at the stars and making wishes. My grandmother gazed at me with a warm smile. Glimpse. A quick or short look at something. I caught a glimpse of the actor at the airport. I had a glimpse of the star before it disappeared. Peep. To look quickly or secretly, often through small opening or from hidden place. He peeped from behind the curtain. He is peeping through the keyhole to see inside. Peek. To look quickly or secretly, especially when you are not supposed to. He peeked through the window to see who was outside. Don't peek at my answers during the test. Whisper. To speak very softly, using breath but not the voice, so only a few people can hear. They are whispering in the classroom. Why are you whispering? No one is here. Murmur. To speak or say something in a soft, quiet, or unclear voice. Don't murmur, speak clearly so I can hear you. I heard a murmur of voices from the next room. Mumble. To speak quietly and unclearly, often making it hard for others to understand. Speaking unclearly or softly, making it hard to understand. Don't mumble, I can't understand you. Why are you mumbling? I can't hear you. Trip. To lose balance and almost fall, often because of hitting something with your foot. I tripped on the stairs but didn't fall. I tripped on the road and hurt my knee. Stumble. To trip or lose your balance while walking or running. Don't run too fast, or you will stumble. He stumbled over a rock in the garden. Tumble. To fall suddenly and quickly, often in a rolling or uncontrolled way. He tumbled down the stairs. He tumbled but didn't get hurt. The panda loves to tumble in the grass. Topple. To fail over or make something fall over, especially something that was standing upright. The bookshelf toppled when he leaned on it. The pile of plates toppled onto the floor. Be careful, you might topple the glass. Plunge. To fall or jump suddenly into something, often with force. To decrease quickly and suddenly. She took a deep breath and plunged into the pool. The temperature plunged last night. Stock prices plunged after the bad news.